Hello, and welcome to this tutorial where we will look at creating and managing class lists. There are two ways to create a list. Firstly, you can import all your classes directly from your Google Classroom account. If you are using Chromebooks in your school, then the chances are, you already have created these class lists to manage the Chromebooks. With one click when you are signed into your Google account, you can import your Google Classroom lists. They will appear in the table below. The other way to create class lists is to manually enter them. Click on Create Class List at the top right of the screen. Next, give your list a name. Your class will then appear in the table below. Next, you need to add some students to your class lists. Click on the plus to expand the class. Then from the right-hand side, click on Add Student. You can now enter their name and their email address and click Save to add them to the class. You can see here that we have added a number of students to our new class. From the right-hand menu on the table, you are able to delete your students too. Click on the Delete option and you will be prompted to confirm you wish to delete the student. Once you have confirmed, they will be removed from the class. Should you wish to rename your class list, you are able to by clicking on the Edit button at the top of the table. Here you can now change the name of your class. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.